Today we have got an awesome dish and it is a regular go-to in our house. It's our Mexican bean stew and it's easy to make, full of flavour, but best of all, it's actually really cheap to make too. None of the ingredients should be particularly expensive and it's one where you can make a big batch of it in one go and then freeze it so you've got some easy, ready, healthy meals for a later date. So let's go to the Hurry the Food Up kitchen and get going. Uncooked brown rice usually takes a while, so start cooking it according to your packet instructions. If it takes less than 10 minutes, then you can wait until a bit later. Slice half a red onion and some cilantro. Heat some oil in a non-stick pan and then add some garlic, chopped jalapenos, and your onion. Then add paprika, oregano and cumin and stir it in. Add your black beans, sweet corn, chickpeas and tinned or crushed tomatoes. Then add vegetable broth, stir it together and cook the mixture for 10 minutes. Add salt, pepper and some sugar and then continue cooking for a few minutes more. Depending on your taste, you can then add more salt, pepper and cilantro. And now you're done. It's as simple as that. Such a quick recipe, but it's so tasty and easy to make. This is honestly one of our favorites and we eat it basically every other week. If you want another delicious but simple recipe, then you should watch this video here.